Sir Charles. Touch po. Okay, so electromagnetism tayo. Feel mo muna yung weight. Pwede mo mamili between wide or narrow. Okay? Feel mo muna. Yan. O, magaan lang. Okay, lalagyan ko na ng weight. 3, 2, 1, and start! Come on, press it. Nakikita niyo yung speed yan siya kung hindi full range yung ginagawa mo. Yan, let's go. Yan, pwedeng mabilis, walang problema. Let's go. Come on, up. Yan. 566 ang kailangan mong talunin, boss. Come on. Flip bar lang yan. Hoy, beat na yung record. Come on. Come on. 100. Race to 100 tayo. Let's go!
Easy lang yan.
Oh, gaan lang oh. 200.
Coach yan eh.
Coach pala to.
Yes!
Coach ka pala, walang yana. Kagaling sa anytime.
Oo. Coach yan sa anytime.
Come on!
Ilan na?
5, 6, 97, 98. Come on!
Coach Bob Sir eh.
Up! Huwag mo isang ate, isang daan. Ayoko. Come on, kaya mo pa yan. Up! Oh, para sa coach, plus 10! Come on! Come on! Oh, gawin natin 11. Kahit 11. 15 na. Yan! Let's go!
Nice.